So the next section on the IEP document that I'd like to give a brief overview of is section 9, which is non-academic and extracurricular activities. So for this section, you will have to list what ways does the child have the opportunity to participate in non-academic extracurricular activities with his or her non-disabled peers. So basically this means, like, what are we doing to allow that student to be able to participate in things such as band or try out for sports teams or in clubs and all that kind of stuff. What do we need to do to be able to give those students the same opportunities that their non-disabled peers have when it comes to participating in extracurricular and non-academic activities? We have to be able to make those available to students with disabilities. So this will describe what ways we're providing the student with the opportunity to do that. When we move down, the second box in section 9 is going to be if the child will not participate in non-academic extracurricular activities, explain. So this could be just the child's not interested in band, so they don't want to be in band or they don't want to play a sport. So we have to provide a reason as to why a student is not participating, and whether that's a reason that is because of the ways that we're doing it, it's not providing the student the opportunity, or is it just the student has no interest in it, so we're not going to participate in it. So section 9 just covers the extracurricular and non-academic activities, and essentially describes how is that student being provided those same opportunities that their non-disabled peers have when it comes to extracurricular and non-academic activities.